The humidity spike confirms the front is moving faster than expected. We have less than 30 minutes.
Activating the drone nets for the main crop now.
Con cuidado, ponlo aquí.
Ayúdame con este.
Ya casi terminamos.
Look at this structure. It's perfect.
The clover really worked wonders. We're ready for the melons.
This cross-section shows excellent internal quality for the 22B line.
Absolutely, and it's holding up well against the fusarium wilt we saw earlier in the season.
The gauge shows we are sending a consistent flow to the lower fields.
Yes, and the tablet confirms the moisture levels are optimized.
The satellite data shows optimal growth here.
We're adjusting the estimates based on the AI projections.
Science explains natural systems. Watermelon vitality begins underground.
Forward to the scale, keep it moving.
Next truck, right here. Let's go, let's go.
Yes, it sounds ripe. We'll take this one.
Check the label for 4A. Confirm. Move it to pallet 7.
The real-time data shows the Georgia shipment is delayed.
Okay, let's optimize the route through Tennessee to maintain freshness.
20% up on efficiency. This is fantastic news, everyone.
It really is.
Now, based on this yield, I suggest we expand the rotation right here.
Yep. For example, quality. Watermelon seeds are stored again for future use. Climate-controlled vaults protect.
By monitoring the Brix levels closely, as shown in the chart, we ensure peak sweetness. Now, if you tap,
The sugar content is stable, matching the projection.
good. The firmness data for the yellow sample is ready for input.
Inspection complete. Everything is within tolerance.
Excellent. These machines need to be perfect for the next harvest.